Hello and welcome to the Villas at Brett Ranch. My name is Chris McDonnell, Global Luxury Realtor for Coldwell Banker Mountain Properties here in beautiful Vail, Colorado. 10 years ago, my clients bought their first home here at 106 Crazy Horse Point. You will quickly see why this two-bedroom makes a perfect mountain home and why my sellers settled here. Please come on in and let's look around. The vaulted ceilings are a nice feature and expands an open floor plan for easy entertaining. This is a desirable front row, top floor, and corner unit with new wood floors, paint, and wood trim accents. 106 Crazy Horse Point is a home that offers mountain and river views with easy access to Highway 6 and Edwards Center. For the rafting enthusiast or fly fishermen in your family, they will love the easy river access. In the summer, you can barbecue or sip your morning coffee from one of two exterior decks. The villas at Brett Ranch offer great value in the local Vail real estate market. The grounds are clean and well maintained. There is a seasonal community pool, and best of all, your heat is included in your HOA dues. Not many properties at this price point will come with a garage and a pool, but this home does. Perfect for all your stuff. This home is easy to show. Please call me, Chris McDonnell, at 970-331-4617. Thanks for watching.